Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the Allure specification that we've just taken in part exchange. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, there's tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that comes with DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, there's also air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, and the car is only £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 22,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.